Dear student, I think all of you are very well. I am also very well. I also know that you are enjoying the times very much, though it is not enjoyable times. But what can we do? We have to enjoy. We have to be relaxed, and so on. Anyway, today I am going to discuss about very important matters, and you know that this is the outcry of our society, the murder mystery of Sushant Singh Rajput. You also know that CBI already have been starting the investigations, but we can say that in Bengali, Goyenda, detective. So here, CBI plays very important roles, but it is not our subject matters. I am going to discuss totally subject basis today. I am going to discuss about the mystery novels, and obviously mystery, you know, that murder mystery, and you know that mystery, thrilling, murder and suspense are the combined effort, and you know that these are the features of crime novels. And after crimes, you know that after crime means after murder, you know that it is one kind of crime because it is illegals. For these reasons it is crime. But before discuss the crime novels, we already knew the gothic novel is one kind of horror novels. It was started by Horace Walpole in 1764 with his most popular writing, The Castle of Otranto, and its subtitle was A Gothic Story. So, the basic similarity between detective novels and Gothic novels are very similar, but there is a simple difference, and we can differentiate between Gothic novels and detective novels. Detective novels, you know that detective novels here, there are many some features, and I will discuss later. And detective novels, the golden era of detective novel is 1920 to 1930. This is the golden era or golden period of detective novels. You know that this is the postmodern period already. Sorry, this is the modern period after 19th century, you know that modern period, and after 20th century postmodern period, and it is the 21st century. Anyway, there are many important and eminent detective writers. We should mention some writers like Arthur Conan Doyle. You know that his very famous detective novel is Sherlock Holmes. Though Sherlock Holmes is the composition of 56 stories, and he wrote also many short stories also. And anyway, another important figure of detective writers, G.K. Chesterton, and another figures, Dame Agatha Christie, and Ronald Knox, and Edgar Allan Poe. There are many other writers. You know that this period, I mean, from 1922 1930, this is the period of murder mystery. I mean, this is the golden period of murder mystery, or this is the golden era of detective novels. So, the basic features of detective novels and detective fictions is, at the very beginning, murder, and after sometimes murder will be took place, and then after murder the situation will be mysterious, and after mysterious it will be suspense, I mean suspensions will be created by the peoples. The people created suspensions because they wanted to know who took the murders, and after suspense it will be detected, I mean the murder will be detected. These are the basic features of detective novels or detective fictions. Today I am going to discuss very important figure. Very important figure means this figure is the very famous in the world. The name is Dame, Agatha, Mary, Clarissa Christie. Repeat again. Dame, Agatha, Mary, Clarissa Christie, or Lady Malouin. She, I mean, her lifespan is 1890 to 1976. She is English writer. She wrote 66 detective novels, and she also wrote 14 short stories. She wrote world's largest running play. The name is The Mouse Trap. The Mouse Trap. She used her pseudonym Mary Mary Westmacott. Repeat again. She used her pseudonym. Pseudonyms, you know that nickname Mary Westmacott. Westmacott. She was appointed Dame Commanders of the Order of the British Empire for her contribution to literature. She was enlisted in Guinness World Records as the best-selling fiction writers. Can you imagine that she was enlisted in Guinness World Records as the best-selling fiction writers? And British Empire also appointed her as Dame Commander for her contribution to literature. She created remarkable characters. We know that Sherlock Holmes is very famous and popular detective characters by Arthur Conan Doyle. Very few persons, I think already read out Sherlock Holmes. Anyway, like Sherlock Holmes, this is the detective figures. Agatha Christie also created remarkable characters, I mean detective characters, Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple. Repeat again. Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple. The spelling is Hercule, Hercule, Poirot, Poirot, Hercule Poirot, and another character Miss Marple, Miss, Miss Marple, Marple. Miss Marple. Both characters are very famous detective characters created by Agatha Christie. Her notable detective fictions are we should mention some notable fictions, detective fictions by Agatha Christie are Murder on the Orient Express and The Murder of Roger Ackroyd, Partners in Crime, The Mouse Trap. Again, The Mouse Trap. And another very important and highest selling book is And Then There Were None. And Then There Were None. This fiction is the highest selling book of Agatha Christie. And next part, I will be discussing about our enlisted fictions, the murder of the murder of Roger Ackroyd by Agatha Christie, wrote written in 1926.